In this tutorial, I'll guide you through 12 easy steps to create your very own steampunk heart. This project is great for beginner woodworkers or mixed media artists. All the materials used are listed below, including a free heart template. I'm using 3/4 inch pinewood for this project. The template is roughly 5 inches by 5 inches. Let's begin. Step 1. Applying strips of masking tape over the wood makes the template easier to remove when you're finished cutting it out. Step 2. Applying the template to the wood, I used 3M spray adhesive. Step 3. Cutting out the heart with a scroll saw. I prefer using a scroll saw for this step, but a bandsaw or jigsaw will also work. Off camera, I sanded the edges before moving on to the next step. Step 4. SHOU SUGI is a traditional Japanese technique for preserving wood by charring it with fire. It also adds a distinctive yet striking aesthetic characterized by deep, dark tones along with a one-of-a-kind texture. Burn the top layer and sides, making sure the hard grain is fully charred. The surface should have an alligator skin type look. Step 5. Removing the charred wood. I'm using an 80 grit nylon wheel attached to a drill. This process removes the soft grain while preserving the charred hard grain for added texture. The more you remove, the more texture you'll achieve. As a safety precaution, make sure you are in a well-ventilated area. Step 6. Staining the wood. I'm using Minwax's semi-transparent ebony wood stain. Saturate the surface and sides with a foam brush. Wipe off the excess stain and let this dry. Step 7. Painting the heart. For this step, I'm using red unicorn spit. I love this brand. The red paint is vibrant and easy to use. I have their entire catalog and every color is amazing. Keep in mind, as this paint dries, it may have a chalky look to it. Don't worry. The full color will come back when applying a top coat. Step 8. Patina paint for the gears. I purchased these gears on Amazon, as well as this Prima Marketing Patina Effect paint. I combined both the green and blue paints on each gear individually. There's no right or wrong way when applying these two colors together. Use your creativity to achieve the look you want. Always remember to have fun and trust your instincts when you're creating art. Step 9. Gluing the gears to the heart. I'm applying small drops of E6000 glue with a toothpick to each gear and randomly placing them on the heart. Step 10. Dry brushing brass paint. Use a dry brushing technique with the brass paint from the Patina paint set. Be sure to use a minimal amount of paint on the brush and wipe off any excess paint before applying it to the gears. Apply the technique creatively all over the heart as desired. Step 11. Gluing the heart back together. Titebond wood glue works perfectly for this step. Use a small amount at the bottom edge of the heart. Line up the two sides together and press tightly for about a minute. Step 12. Finish the project with a top coat. Apply 2 coats of Minwax semi-gloss and you're all done.